Working with injection molding simulation results and received an MDC file? This is a shareable results package from Autodesk's molding analysis software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view and analyze these Moldflow Communicator results files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful MDC file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. MDC files are simulation results files from Autodesk Moldflow, the injection molding simulation and analysis software. They contain packaged simulation results including fill time pressure, distribution temperature, analysis, warp prediction, and fiber orientation data formatted for sharing with stakeholders who need to review molding analysis results. Moldflow MDC files use a proprietary container format, packaging simulation mesh data with result datasets, including scalar and vector field visualizations, color plots, animation sequences, and analysis summary reports. The format enables sharing complete simulation results without requiring the full Moldflow simulation software. The MDC file is widely endorsed for use with Autodesk Moldflow Communicator developed by Autodesk, Inc. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows provides minimal insight into this category, so proper review depends on compatible 3D tools. Your key initial action: right-click the MDC file and select Open With. If Autodesk Moldflow Communicator is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the MDC file opens. If the MDC file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since the MDC file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, viewing in Moldflow Communicator. Download the free Autodesk Moldflow Communicator viewer and open the MDC file. The viewer displays the 3D part geometry with simulation result overlays. Navigate between different result types using the results panel and rotate zoom, and section the model to inspect fill warp and stress analysis data. Next, analyzing results. In Moldflow, Communicator examined key simulation results including fill time confidence of fill pressure, drop temperature at flow front cooling time, and warp deflection. Use the cross-section and probe tools to measure values at specific locations on the part geometry for detailed engineering analysis. Finally, sharing results. MDC files are designed for sharing simulation results with manufacturing teams, clients, and toolmakers who do not have full Moldflow licenses. Distribute the MDC file along with a link to the free Moldflow Communicator download. Recipients can independently review all simulation results and generate reports from the shared data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.